Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add diagrams to your document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the browse icon down below and click on my phone. You can either select a document that you have already created or create a new document. So tap on the relevant one. After that, you should click on the plus icon at the top of the screen and select the second option at the top. Here you can choose from a bunch of options. There are 3 categories such as 2D, 3D or interactive. So tap on the relevant category, and if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you are going to see all of the options in that particular category. As you can see, there are a vast variety of options that you can choose from. If you want to insert any of these, just simply click on the relevant one and place it within your text. You can make it bigger or smaller, and basically that's it. Here you can see it, and if you tap on this arrow you can see how it changes according to months. So basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.